Hi, in this video, we'll take a look at Axway Amplify Fusion's OpenAI connector and how it can be used to leverage Groq. You can check out Groq at groq.com, create a free account, and then you can go to the dashboard and check out the documentation and get an API key. And first, let's take a look here at the connections, and you'll see that there is no Groq connector. But Groq is fully compatible with OpenAPI or OpenAI, so we can leverage the OpenAI connector. So recall we did 3 videos on OpenAI connector in Amplify Fusion. So go take a look at video number 1 because we are going to use that project. So we created an OpenAI connector and we leveraged it in a simple integration. Let's take a look at the OpenAI connector. And you see we just used one of the models, GPT-4 Turbo, and we entered our API key. So what we're going to do to leverage this for Groq is we're going to clone this connector, and let's just call it Groq OpenAI. Let's clone that. And what we need to do is we need to change the endpoint URL. And if we look at the documentation, we can see here that the URL is right there. All the methods are exactly the same as OpenAI. So we paste that in here. And let's take a look at the models that are supported. A lot of them are from Meta. But if we look here, we could use, here's a bunch from Meta. Here's some OpenAI. Let's use this Meta one that's here. So let's copy this model. Let's paste that in here. And we need an API key. I created one. And again, you can go to API keys and you can create an API key. And they have a pretty nice free tier, so you can do some testing without needing a credit card, which is nice. And I'll copy the key. I have this off screen. I will paste my key in, click update, and then we can test the connector. Don't need to save it. All right, so connector passed, it's saved, and now let's go into our integration. It was a pretty simple integration. It runs on the scheduler, so I can test it using the test button. It uses an OpenAI component. And if I click on that, I can come here and configure it. And if you recall, what we did was we selected the prompt to be, you are an intelligent AI agent, and we're not sending the whole conversation history, we're just sending one message, and it's hello OpenAI. We can actually change this to hello Groq. And the type is user. And let's save that. And we need to also change the connector. So Groq OpenAI, and we have the message hello Groq. Let's save this. Let's test. And if I look here, it worked, and I can see the response. Greetings, human. It's a pleasure to interact with you. I'm an artificial intelligence designed to provide information. And you can also see all the metadata in terms of the model used and the token count. And if I come back here to the dashboard, 11 API calls. If I refresh, 13 API calls, 1 for the test and 1 when I invoke the integration. So in this video, we saw how easy it is to leverage Groq using Axway Amplify Fusion's OpenAI connector by just modifying the base URL and using your Groq API key. Thank you.